Welcome to Channel English 3 months. Today, we are going to learn new tips, how to speak English with confidence. Let's get started. How to speak English with confidence. Speaking English with confidence is a skill that can open doors to new opportunities. Whether in education, career advancement, or social interactions. However, many learners struggle with self-doubt, fear of making mistakes, and hesitation when communicating in English. If you're one of them, don't worry. This guide will help you overcome these challenges and build the confidence you need to speak English fluently. Number 1. Understanding the importance of confidence in speaking English. Confidence is key when it comes to speaking English fluently. Without confidence, even someone with good vocabulary and grammar may struggle to express themselves clearly. Confidence allows you to communicate effectively without hesitation, engage in conversations without fear of making mistakes, improve faster because you are not afraid to practice. The good news is that confidence is not something you are born with. It can be developed with practice, persistence, and the right mindset. Number 2. Overcoming fear of speaking English. Many English learners fear speaking because they worry about making mistakes or being judged. Here's how to overcome this fear. Acknowledge your fears. Identify what exactly makes you afraid. Is it pronunciation, grammar mistakes, talking to native speakers? Understanding your fear is the first step to overcoming it. Reframe your mindset. Instead of thinking, "What if I make a mistake?" think, "Every mistake helps me learn and improve." Start small. Begin by speaking English in low-pressure situations, such as talking to yourself in the mirror, recording your voice and listening to it, speaking with a close friend or family member. Celebrate small wins. Each time you successfully hold a conversation, even if it's short, celebrate your progress. Number 3. Developing a growth mindset. A growth mindset means believing that you can improve with effort and practice. Here's how to develop it. Embrace mistakes as part of the learning process. Stay persistent even if progress feels slow. Remind yourself that everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Learn from feedback instead of feeling discouraged. When you adopt a growth mindset, you'll stop fearing mistakes and start seeing them as valuable learning opportunities. Number 4. Improving your pronunciation. Clear pronunciation helps you feel more confident when speaking English. Here's how to improve it. Practice phonetics. English has many sounds that may not exist in your native language. Use online phonetic charts to learn the correct pronunciation. Listen and repeat. Watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos and mimic the way native speakers talk. Repeat sentences after native speakers to improve pronunciation and intonation. Use tongue twisters. Practicing tongue twisters can help you articulate words better. Examples: She sells seashells by the seashore. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Record yourself. Listening to your own voice will help you notice areas that need improvement. Number 5. Expanding your vocabulary. A limited vocabulary can make you feel restricted in conversations. Here's how to expand your vocabulary. Learn new words daily and use them in sentences. Read English books, newspapers, and articles to encounter new words in context. Use a vocabulary notebook to write down new words and their meanings. Play word games like crossword puzzles or Scrabble. The more words you know, the easier it will be to express yourself confidently. Number 6. Practicing regularly. Practice is the secret to confidence. Here's how to make practice a habit. Set aside time every day to speak English, even if it's just for a few minutes. Talk to yourself about your day, plans, or thoughts in English. Join English speaking clubs or online forums to engage in discussions. The more you practice, the more fluent and confident you'll become. Number 7. Engaging in conversations. Speaking English with confidence comes from real-life practice. Here's how to engage in conversations. Find a language partner to practice with regularly. Join discussion groups where English is spoken. Ask open-ended questions to keep conversations flowing. Engaging in conversations will help you overcome hesitation and build fluency. Number 8. Using technology to improve English speaking skills. Technology offers many tools to help you practice speaking English, including language learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone. Speech recognition software to check your pronunciation. Online language. Exchange platforms like Tandem or HelloTalk. Using these tools regularly will improve your confidence and fluency. Number 9. Building confidence through public speaking. Public speaking is a great way to boost confidence. Try practicing speeches in front of a mirror. Joining a public speaking club like Toastmasters. Giving presentations in English at school or work. The more you speak in front of others, the more confident you'll become. Number 10. Handling mistakes positively. Mistakes are part of learning. Here's how to handle them. Don't be embarrassed. Even native speakers make mistakes. Learn from your errors and correct them. Keep speaking without fear of making mistakes. Mistakes help you grow, so don't let them stop you from speaking. Number 11. Surrounding yourself with English. Immerse yourself in English to build confidence. Try watching English movies and TV shows with subtitles, listening to English podcasts and audiobooks, reading English books and articles. Exposure to English will help you become more comfortable with the language. Number 12. Mastering English grammar for confidence. While grammar is important, Don't let it stop you from speaking. Focus on common sentence structures, basic grammar, rules needed for conversation, speaking naturally rather than worrying about perfect grammar. Confidence comes from communicating your message, not from speaking perfectly. Number 13. Using English in everyday life. To gain confidence, use English daily. Think in English instead of translating from your native language. Write a journal in English to improve your writing and thinking skills. Label objects in your house with English words to reinforce vocabulary. The more you use English, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Number 14. Setting goals for speaking English confidently. Set clear goals to track your progress, such as speaking for 10 minutes a day, learning 5 new words every day, having a full conversation in English once a week. Goals will keep you motivated and focused. Motivation is key to becoming a confident English speaker. Track your progress by recording your voice to compare improvement over time, celebrating achievements. To stay motivated, keeping a journal of new words, phrases, and experiences. Motivation is key to becoming a confident English speaker. Number 16. Final thoughts on speaking English with confidence. Confidence in speaking English comes from practice, persistence, and a positive mindset. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Engage in conversations and immerse yourself in the language. With time and effort, you will speak English fluently and confidently. Now, go out there and start speaking with confidence. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment.